let's discuss how communication is important in business. Why business communication is important. Business communications is important for the business success. If you want to have uninterrupted working in the organization, we require good and effective communication network both internally and externally. Internally means when organizations are communicating within the organization. Externally communication means when organizations are having communication with third party. So we require communication for successful and smooth operation so that the organizational objective can be achieved. Next is we require communication for managerial efficiency. We all are aware that planning, organizing, staffing, controlling are all the functions of management. How can you carry this function? You can carry this function with the help of effective communication. Next, it helps in giving the shape of many process of management. Planning, actually, if we see with planning is a function of top management. Whatever top management thought to do, it has to be executed by lower level management. We require communication for carrying out all the process of management in very smooth and effective way. Next important is because the size of organization are so large. If you see this, there are MNCs who are working in home country, they are working abroad, they are having number of branches. At the local level also, you will find number of companies who are MNCs, you will find their product sold at the lower market. High level of hierarchy, the hierarchy level is so high that the shape of organization is such a large that we require the pattern of effective communication. If we have failed to communicate, if we have failed to coordinate, so we can't achieve the organizational success. Next is we require communication for business and decision making. And what role that communication plays? Communication helps to collect various information, facts, data, suggestions and complaints. These gathering of information will make the decision process easier. Objective and goals can't be achieved unless the top management can effectively communicate to the lower management. So unless and until if there is no proper channel of communication between top management and lower management, it's not possible for the lower management to execute the plan thought by the top level management. So here the communication plays very important role. Next is we require communication for maintaining public relation. Organizations are maintaining their relations by PR strategy. You can see here impression management, press release, media outreach analysis. How you are maintaining relationship with the public. So here your communication plays very important role and it becomes a part of your external communication. If we go further, communication helps in coordination of all activity into one place. If you see this picture, there are 6 persons. All their activities are coordinated to one person. And how this coordination is possible? The coordination is possible only because of communication. This communication brings coordination between various departments and they achieve the common goal. Now this is a time of specialization. Every organization, they are having separate department who is looking after their own performance on single activity. For example, marketing department is looking after only marketing of goods. Production department is looking after only production of goods. Human resource department is only looking after with how to manage their HR. Finance department is looking after all controlling of finance. So this specialization brings a need of communication, and these departments should coordinate each other with the help of communication. Next is increased productivity. Communication helps in increasing in productivity with the minimization of cost. See, every organizations are having two objectives in their perspective. The objective is to maximization of profit and minimization of cost. How will it be possible? It will be possible only if the productivity of the whole organization will increase. And communication plays a very important role in increasing the productivity. How? Because it provides all necessary information about new process, new method to particular organization, to a particular department. Next is employee morale. Communication, no doubt is there. Communication helps in improving human relationship. And when your relationship with employees, when relationship with your colleagues is in a smooth way, naturally in turn it will increase your morale. So businesses are requiring effective communication in order to improve employees' morale, employees' relationship. Communication helps in reducing the points of differences. Next is effective leadership. Leadership is nothing but it's leading the group of person, group of activity towards certain direction, towards the achievement of organizational goal. And a good manager with good communication can become a successful leader of his subordinate. If managers are able to communicate properly, communicate in effective manner, all these objective is achieved by the particular group or the organization. Leadership helps in innovation, leadership helps in motivation, leadership helps in evaluation, monitoring, development, controlling, teamwork, strategy. If the leader he himself doesn't know how to communicate properly, it's not possible for him to attain all the objectives. Next one is job satisfaction. How communication brings job satisfaction? Because management convey message and promote mutual understanding and also listen to the problems of the employees. Reception and recognition provide job satisfaction to the employees. If employees are in position to know that whatever problem I am having, management is ready to listen. Management recognize my efforts. So this effective communication network enhance the job satisfaction of each and every individual, because management is ready to listen their problem, management is ready to recognize their problem. So in this way the communication helps in improving job satisfaction of employees. Thank you so much for your patience listening.